Welcome back to ZR2 Blue Car 1955, the channel where we dive deep into machines that carry history, character, and performance unlike anything built today. Today we're taking a closer look at a truly standout classic, a car that brings together vintage styling with a bold blue presence that turns heads instantly. This vehicle represents an era when metal had personality, curves meant identity, and every detail of a car told a story of craftsmanship. As we walk around this iconic machine, you can feel the heritage pouring out of every panel, every chrome line, and every aggressive stance. The ZR2 Blue Car 1955 is a reminder of when cars didn't just roll off assembly lines but were sculpted into something memorable. Starting with the exterior, the deep blue color is the first thing that grabs your attention. It's bold without being overwhelming, classy yet energetic, and it brings out the flowing body lines that made the 1950s styling so legendary. The round headlights, positioned proudly at the front, highlight that vintage presence and give the car a face full of character. The chrome accents around the grille add a sharp shine that contrasts perfectly with the blue paint, making the front end feel both authoritative and sophisticated. The hood stretches out with a confident length, giving the car that long, strong front stance that classic enthusiasts love. Moving along the sides, the contours remain smooth and clean, a hallmark of 1950s design where simplicity met elegance. The doors feel heavy, the metal feels real, and the reflections along the body show just how well maintained and restored this beauty is. The wheels complete the entire personality of the exterior. Their polished look and period-correct styling give the car an authentic presence while still maintaining a fresh, refined appeal. At the rear, the design continues to impress with large rounded fenders, a chrome bumper that shines like a mirror, and taillights that stay true to the era. The overall profile of the car carries that unmistakable 1955 silhouette, a mixture of style and strength that modern designs can't replicate. Every detail on the exterior tells you why cars from this era still dominate classic shows and gatherings. They have a soul, and this ZR2 Blue Car proves that perfectly. Moving on to performance, the car doesn't just rely on its nostalgic charm. Under the hood, this machine is built to deliver strong, confident power. The engine setup retains its classic roots but offers a smooth and reliable driving experience that blends vintage mechanics with well-maintained performance. Acceleration feels steady and responsive, not the lightning-quick surge of modern sports cars, but a powerful, controlled pull that reminds you of real mechanical engineering. The sound of the engine is deep and satisfying, a tone that modern cars can't imitate because it comes from pure metal, natural combustion, and real horsepower. The driving feel is solid, with a firm connection to the road. The steering carries that vintage weight, making every turn feel intentional and engaging. It's not about effortless driving, it's about feeling every movement of the machine. On the road, the suspension provides a surprisingly comfortable ride, absorbing bumps with a soft classic bounce that adds charm rather than discomfort. For a car from 1955, the performance is impressive, stable, and full of personality. This is the kind of drive that makes you want to slow down, take in every sound, every vibration, and every moment. Now stepping briefly into the interior, you immediately notice the authentic old-school craftsmanship. The cabin reflects the same attention to detail seen on the exterior. The dashboard is simple but full of charm, with classic gauges that display information in a clean, retro style. The seats offer that vintage cushioning feel, soft and wide, giving a comfortable experience that takes you back in time. The steering wheel is large and beautifully designed, giving you that nostalgic grip that makes driving this car an experience rather than just a task. The materials inside feel original and well preserved, contributing to the overall character of the car. It is a space that celebrates the past, reminding you what automotive interior design used to be before screens and digital controls took over. This concludes our deep look into the ZR2 Blue Car 1955, a classic beauty that blends powerful design, engaging performance, and a charming interior to deliver an unforgettable experience. If you love vintage machines that carry heart, history, and unmistakable presence, this car stands proudly among the greats. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to ZR2 Blue Car 1955 for more timeless automotive reviews.